Well, hello everybody, my name's Andre and I'm gonna be here today talking to you about how you can create your inbounds, the correct and faster way you can create your inbounds, okay? So there are two ways that we can put your items on your inbounds. It's manually or by a spreadsheet, and I'm gonna show you both of them. All right, so the first thing you gotta do here is go under the inbound tab. You hit your inbound tab and we're gonna be here showing all the inbounds you're gonna receive. And for creation of a new inbound, you go here under new shipment, you hit new shipment, and what we recommend you to put here under your shipment name is the store that you purchased and your order number, so that way we can find your items easier and add them here and inbound them easier and faster for you. All right, so let's say that I purchased here, I'm gonna use this order here as an example. I purchased that on Gap and this is the order number that they gave me, so I'm gonna copy this order number and put the name of the store here, so Gap, and the order number is this one. All right, so let's create this shipment here, hitting create shipment. So after you create your shipment, you can add your items. Let's begin adding items simply as adding them from your inventory. All right, so this order here, I have my items. Let's say I'm gonna add those two items here in my inbound, okay? So how can I find those items here? That's a great question. So I can look up maybe more by the size. There it is. I already find my first item, okay? So let's hit this plus here so you can add them here. And this is gonna show where your selected items that you're gonna add in your inbound are. So those items are already here. Let's say I wanna add 5 of those. All right, so another way you can find your item is in your Seller Central account, you can add them by your ASIN. So let's filter by ASIN now. Okay, there it is, another of my items. Let's add 5 of those too. All right, and let's add another example for you guys. You can add your items here and they might not be under these items. They can be under listing as well. And then you just hit here, create and add item, and they're gonna be here as well. Let's say we have 5 of those. All right, let's add all of those here in add item. All right, something very important, all those items are listed in my Seller Central account, okay? After you connect your Seller Central account, you create your items there and they're gonna sync here to our system and we can add them here in your inbounds. You have to have the items created there so they can show up here, all right? So let's add the items here through another way, that is through upload, okay? So let's say, how can we do that? You download here the example spreadsheet. All right, so that's what we're gonna have here. We have here the merchant SKU and the quantities. So how can we create that? You can get your SKUs through your Seller Central or through our system. Let me show you here how you can have that. Okay, so here you can have them in your inventory, but a hack that you can do here, you can go under channels, view listings, and then you just search here. Let's say that I want to do the heather gray items. And that's where we're gonna get my SKUs, okay? So let's do this one here. All right, I'm gonna copy there and paste it here. And let's say that I have 5 of those as well. And let's do this one too. I'm gonna copy this and paste it here. And I also have 5 of those. And then you just save here and we're gonna go back here to upload your items. All right, so after we saved our spreadsheet, we're gonna go back here to inbounds and we're gonna do an upload of that spreadsheet, okay? So let's go here to add items, upload, and then you choose the file you just generated. This is the file I generated, so let's open it and upload the items. And that's it. you just uploaded the other 2 items that we want to put here. Something really important for us is the notes field here, that you can add any observation that you want to put in your items, and you just put here and type and let us know. Let's say we have to take photos for unlocking a new category. So that's what you're gonna put. So you just write here, please add photos for unlocking a new category. Thanks. That's why you communicate with our team on Prep Center, okay? So now let's add a tracking number to our inbound so we can find it faster for you and make the inbound faster, okay? And also for your organization, you can find it easier. I'm gonna show you in just a second. So we come here, let's say this is the tracking number that guy provided me, and let's go here to add a tracking number, all right? And then I'm just gonna put here UPS because mine is UPS, but you can put wherever you want. It doesn't really matter for us. You can just hit any one of those, and let's just save here. And that's it. Your inbound is created. You have your listings here. You have everything you have, and you have the tracking number. So sometimes you're looking for some tracking numbers that you added, but you're not sure if we have already received your tracking number. So if you added your tracking number, you can search it here, and it's gonna show up in all the inbounds that they are added. Okay, so let's go in this one that we just created, and we're gonna have all the information we just added here. We're gonna see here in the notes if we already received. You're gonna see here how many units we received or not, and that's basically it. I'm gonna give you another example of a bundle creation so it's clear and everything we gotta know. So here back in the inbound tab, we're gonna create a new shipment, and in this case I'm just gonna put bundle creation order number 1234, just so we have an example here. Let's say that this product here that I'm gonna add here is a bundle. You're gonna add your bundles here, and let's say you are gonna receive 10 of those bundles here. Let's add those. So let's say you bought 10 units, 10 single units. You're not gonna be able to put 10 packs here because it's a 4-pack. So you're not gonna put 10 packs because you just have 2 packs of 4 and 2 single units. All right, so for 10 packs, you gotta buy 40 units, and then we're gonna create your bundles if necessary. And if the pack is already created, we're not gonna charge you for that. We're just gonna create it as a bundle and count it as a bundle. All right, so in this case we have 10 packs. That means we bought 40 of those, so it's 40 single units forming 10 packs. Please form packs. That's why we use so much the notes field. That's how you gotta communicate with us. All right, and again, let's add a tracking number here. I'm just gonna put anything here and just gonna put this one just so we have a tracking number. And now we created another inbound for packs. All right, so let's search here again by the tracking number. There it is. And very important information, you have to put our full address to receive all your orders correctly. So our full address is 310 Ruther Drive, Unit 8, and it's in Newark, Delaware, and our zip code is 19711. Add all of that in your orders so we can receive that. And something very, very important that you gotta put is your name and your suite number. In my case, that's my name and that's my suite number, and I can never ever add something without that because we're not gonna be able to find you here, and we're not gonna be able to inbound your items. So please don't forget to add your suite number and your name so we can find you easier and inbound your items faster. If you have any other questions, you can reach us through our WhatsApp. This is our phone number, and you can reach us there. Just ask us any questions. Please let us know your concerns. We're here to help you. This is Prep Center Tax Free, and we're here to help you. Thank you for watching that. Have a good day.